So you got a ticket because you didn't see that cop hiding in the bushes. Or maybe the police just don't like you. Whatever. The question is now, what do you do? Ignore the ticket? After 10 days, they will issue a warrant for your arrest. You have three choices on how to deal with this ticket. Number one, you can just pay it and be done with it. Number two, you can request an informal hearing. Or number three, you can request a formal hearing. Let me explain the differences. In an informal hearing, you go into court and you see a magistrate, which is like a judge. In front of this magistrate, you can plead responsible or responsible with an explanation, which is like pleading guilty. Or you can say you're not responsible. If you plead not responsible, then the court will call in the officer who wrote the ticket, and that officer will testify against you, and in all likelihood, you'll be found responsible. And then you'll have to pay the entire fine and all the consequences that go along with that, including your insurance going up. Okay, here's the Bulldog recommendation. You request a formal hearing, and here's why you do it. When you go to court, you're going to meet with a prosecutor in a room, a little small room right outside of the courtroom. Doesn't matter what city in Michigan you're in. And this prosecutor has the power to reduce your charges. For example, if you're charged with driving 10 miles over the speed limit, the prosecutor can look at your driving record and say, yeah, you're not a bad driver. I'm going to reduce this down to, say, for example, blockading traffic. The difference between speeding and blockading traffic is that blockading traffic is not a moving violation. It carries no points, and it is not abstracted, meaning your insurance company will never find out about it, meaning your insurance rates won't go up. And that's why worst case scenario meeting with the prosecutor is the charges stay exactly the same, but there's a good chance that your charges can be reduced. Now, remember, when you go in to meet with the prosecutor, don't go in to make any demands because they don't have to do anything for you. If you go in with the wrong attitude, they're going to bounce you right out of there and not do you any favors. Okay, so this has been the Randolph Law Group Bulldog Tip of the Day. Later, folks.